Today I will start the chapter Differentials, Errors and Approximations. First, differentials. Let y equal to fx be a function of x and let del x be a small change in x. Let del y be the corresponding change in y. Therefore, dy dx equal to limit del x tends to 0, del y del x is equal to limit del x tends to 0, f x plus del x minus fx by del x equal to f dot x. This is the definition of differentials. That is dy dx equal to f dot x. That is dy equal to dx into f dot x, where dy is called the differentials of the function. Now del y equal to dy dx into del x. This is approximately in place of this, in place of dy, del y, in place of dx, del x, that is approximately. This is the approximation. This formula is very useful in calculation of small changes or errors in dependent variable corresponding to a small changes or errors in independent variables. And this is used in engineering, physics and many other branches of science. Now some important terms. What are the important terms? First one is absolute error. The error del x in x is called the absolute error. Second is if del x is error in x, then the ratio del x by x is called the relative error. Number 3, percentage error. If del x by x is relative error, then del x by x into 100 is called the percentage error in x. Now the example. Using differentials, find the approximate value of root over 25.3. Let y equal to root x, x equal to 25 and del x equal to 0.3, because this is the small change, 0.3, and x equal to 25. Now del y equal to root over x plus del x minus root x from the definition is equal to root over 25 minus 3 minus root over 25, that is root over 25.3 minus 5. Therefore 25 root 25.3 root is equal to del y plus 5, exchanging the place. Now root over 25.3 equal to, in place of del y is what? Del y equal to 0.03. Now I am explaining del y. Now del y equivalent to dy, that is equal to dy dx del x. Now y equal to root x, therefore dy dx equal to 1 by 2 root x. Then in place of dy dx we put 1 by 2 root x. Then del x equal to what? Del x equal to 0.3. Now 1 by 2 root over 5, x means 25, root over 25 into 0.3, that is root over 25 means 5, 2 into 5 equal to 10, therefore 1 by 10 into 0.3, that is equal to 0.03. Now in place of del y you put 0.03, this is 0.03 plus 5, that is equal to 5.03. This is the approximate value of this. Okay. Now the second example, use differentials to approximate the cube root of 125. We know the cube root of 125 equal to 5. So we have to approximate the cube root of 127. So increase is what? 2, del x equal to 2. Let us consider the function y equal to fx, that is equal to x to the power 1/3, because cube root of 127. Let x equal to 125, then x plus del x equal to 127. This is the increase. Del x, that is 2. Now del x equal to 127 minus 125 equal to 2. Y equal to 125 to the power 1/3, that is equal to 5. Now dx equal to del x, that is equal to 2. Now y equal to x to the power 1/3. Therefore differentiating both sides we get dy dx equal to 1/3, power come first and power decreases by 1, that is x to the power minus 2/3, that is equal to 1 by 3 into x to the power 2/3, that is equal to 1 by 3 into, in place of x we put 125, and after calculating you will get it is 25, that is equal to 1 by 75. Now dy equal to dy dx into dx, that is equal to 1 by 75 into 2, that is equal to del y equal to 2 by 75, that is equal to del y, and del y equal to 2 by 75. Now 127 to the power 1/3 equal to y plus del y, that is 5 plus 2 by 75, that is equal to, in place of 2 by 75 it is 0.026 plus 5 equal to 5.026. Now I am explaining once again this portion, dy equal to dy dx dot dx, then you put in place of dy dx, that is dy dx calculating after this, and del y equal to what, 2 by 75, then 127 to the power 1/3 equal to y plus del y, in place of y it is 5, in place of y it is 5, and del y equal to what, del y equal to 2 by 75. This is the del y equal to what, dy, in place of dy dx it is 1 by 75, and del x equal to 2, that is del y equal to 2 by 75, and the approximate value is 5.026.